Growing cover crops such as green manure in your veg patch. Let me know in the comments if you've grown green manure. Very, very beneficial plant seed to grow in your veg patch. Many, many benefits to it. So growing a cover crop such as green manure in your veg patch can provide a variety of benefits for the soil in your garden, or in your veg patch in particular, but in your garden. Providing nutrients, it can condition the soil, it will prevent weathering and erosion when the soil freezes, so it will erode away as it thaws, and maintain good levels of green and organic matter. As the crops die back in the spring, you can dig them into the ground, so that will then break down and then provide a really good level of organic matter to die back into the soil. So as you go into spring, it's got a really good base there. So cover crops are more commonly used in the veg patch or your allotment, if you want to go with the bigger scale. So it's really good for that side of it because it will provide so many more nutrients, and vegetables tend to be quite hungry when you're growing them. But it can be used as well in flower beds and borders, particularly herbaceous borders, or mainly annual borders as well. When you have big, vast spaces that have died off as the winter months start, they all die off, and then you're ready to replant in the spring. Having these cover crops to see them through the winter will really help to maintain the structure and the condition of the soil, replenish a bit of nutrients as well. And as they get dug in the spring, like you would do with the vegetable patch as well, ready to replant or ready for the new shoots to start coming up from the herbaceous plants, this really does do a really good job of supporting. So it doesn't have to just be used in the vegetable patch or allotment. You can use it in beds and borders as well.